having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 54 and I am sharing face massages and anti-aging tips. Today I am sharing full face lifting massage. This massage really works. If you do a lifting face massage on a regular basis, you will see the difference. So it's really important to do this on a regular basis. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. After you watch this video, leave a comment down below. I'm always happy to hear from you. If you'd like to get extra anti-aging tips, join the membership. The link is down below. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this. So for your jawline, do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, and right here. Do this 10 times. Next, same way, make your hands like this, right here. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this and under your eyes right here. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, in the middle. Hold for 10 seconds.